Ivy and Sasha.
Woo.
Empress Theodora.
Yes.
And today we're going to talk about food.
Food. Yeah, so
for
don't
lollipops.
Yeah, no, we're not going to teach you how to make lollipops, but we are going to teach you how to make something amazing for that afternoon snack when you feel that little pinch in your stomach of hunger. Yeah, we are going to put the phone down. Yes. So we are going to be teaching you
How to make some quick afternoon snacks.
Yeah.
So you don't have to so you can do your homework really quick and eat a huge soup.
So the first thing that we're gonna make is
a fried banana.
Yep. First, wash your banana. Then peel your banana.
If you can.
If you can. It's not exactly working, but we're trying. We're trying. All right. And break your banana in half, I guess. Well, so what you're going to do is you're going to chop your banana into little slices. Smaller than that. Yum. Yum. That's a good size, yes.
This is a good size.
No, that's too thick.
Never.
That's too thin. Okay, just chop your banana. Just chop your banana however you want without cutting your fingers off.
Ow!
No.
Just kidding.
Yeah.
Duh.
Now you are going to fry your bananas. So turn on the heat to medium, and then you're going to wait until they become nice and golden.
So after the fried banana, we have
our cinnamon smoothie.
We're not sure what it's actually called. We're just going to call it cinnamon smoothie because it's like cinnamon and there's a smoothie.
And it's delicious.
That doesn't have to do with anything.
Yeah.
And the ingredients for your smoothie are cinnamon, yogurt, milk, and a blender. Don't forget Sasha's flour.
Okay, so first what you're going to do is you are going to pour 4 cups of milk because that's for 2 people. But you can do the math if you just want to make it for yourself or 4 people, you know. So I'm pouring 1 cup of milk.
Just pour it back in the blender. Just pour it in the blender.
I'm going to open my blender. That was a ham. Oh, and don't spill like I just did. 1 cup. 2 cup. 3 cup. And 4 cup. Yay, we're done. Thank you, Ivy, for the cleanup. Okay, so when you have your 4 cups, then what you're gonna do is you're gonna take yogurt.
Your yogurt. So this can be like vanilla flavored or banana flavored, whatever. You have to take one of these spoons, preferably this size, and spoon 3 spoonfuls of yogurt into your mixer. But don't do that. 1 spoon, 2 spoons, these spoons. Again, this is for 2 people. If you're the only one drinking, you're selfish. Just kidding. If you're the only one drinking, then I don't know, figure it out.
Yeah, 2.
Too much math.
2 cups. Okay, so now, after you're done with
Yogurt.
and milk, what you're gonna do is you're gonna blend it. So now what you're gonna do is you're going to blend your mixture. So make sure to put that lid on, or else there'll be a lot of explosions. Yep,
I love explosions.
so put your mixer onto low.
As you can see, we have poured our smoothie solution into 2 glasses. And it might look like plain old boring milk, but we have cinnamon. So the cinnamon amount you add doesn't really matter. Just add it'll look like some brown dirt on top. But just add as much as you want. And not too much or else it tastes kind of strong. But just add cinnamon to all of your glasses. And that should be good.
And then,
Number 3 is our yogurt parfait.
yep,
And our ingredients for our yogurt parfait are granola, chocolate syrup, yogurt, blueberries, and I was just gonna say a glass cup thing.
So first, you take your glass cup thingy, just gonna call it that, and your yogurt. So for one person, you take about 2 to 3 spoonfuls of yogurt in the bottom of your glass cup thingy. I'm just gonna take 2. 1, 2.
then you are going to take granola, and you're gonna put you can put as much as you want. I usually put, one second, just now to open this, I'll show you how much I put. About, just to cover all the yogurt, and just a little bit like that. This much granola, and
Then you put the blueberries.
yep,
Blueberries or any fruit.
it's not opening. Oh, now it opened, yay.
Okay. So
Make sure to wash them.
But we already washed them before this. So for the blueberries, just put about the same just the right amount to cover all the granola.
Not all of it, but as much as you
Well,
want.
yeah.
Mostly.
I don't know. As much as you want.
Yeah.
Right, about this much.
That's pretty good.
Mhm.
And then my favorite part, the best, Hershey's chocolate syrup. It's genuine. Yes, as it says. And then, so you take it and you just swirl it on the top like this. La 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 la. As much as you want. That looks yummy. And that, my folks, is a yogurt parfait.
So that's our 3 afternoon. Are you okay?
It's so sad that we're done with this.
Right.
video.
Okay. So our 3 afternoon snacks. That's all. What? That's all of our 3 afternoon snacks things.
Yeah, so if you guys try this out, and we really hope you do, but if you try it out, comment below what you think, and that's all for our video. Thanks for watching. Bye.
Bring me my soda.
I'm Sasha the Alvin.
And don't forget to subscribe!